What's up, everybody? This is Ransom Reviews. This is a weird video because the last video I did of book reviews, which is really what I like to have my channel for, only got 10 views. So apparently nobody wants to hear me talking about books. So what I've decided to do tonight instead is me and my lady, we're on holiday, and we are going to do 1 minute of interrupted frog sounds for you, since book reviews are obviously not getting it done. So I'm going to do a bullfrog, and what are you going to do?
I don't know what you call.
Just a small frog.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. I hope you guys enjoy the new content. Mwah. 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 What the? You can't just give up. You gotta come in with the apps.
I mean, I cannot do it.
You can. You have to focus. You wanna be famous or not? What's wrong with you?
So okay, just I'm gonna turn on your face.
No. You have to be on it too, because I'm gonna get rid of the video. Probably I'm gonna have pictures of frogs.
Something like that.
Yeah. All right, you ready? Mwah. 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 This was your idea. It's not gonna work.
I know, but I can't.
You have to keep a straight face. Don't look at me. All right, just close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No, I don't close my eyes. Okay.
All right, are you ready? Then you start. No, you're not. You coward. Coward.
Don't make it long, okay? Just.
You start. Yeah, you start. All you gotta do is say is app, okay?
Okay, you start first.
You start.
App.
You can only do one. You can only do one and then crying, laughing
You
again.
just said app.
You gotta do it like 30 times, baby. We're doing a minute. I told you're gonna do a minute of frog sounds. This is gonna be an hour long. I'm gonna have to edit through an hour to get a minute of frog sounds.
Why you need to app first? Okay.
Just start with the app.
App.
Wrong.
App.
Wrong.
App.
Wrong.
App.
Hmm.
App.
Raw.
App.
Raw.
App.
Raw.
App.
Raw.
App.
Hmm.
App.
Raw.